guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy, and for today's video I'm talking about Dr. Ellie's complete mouth care system. So here's the process. I'm just doing it, so I don't know, tell me or comment below. I want to show you. I don't know if the right way I did, but I'm just trying my best, guys, to show you. But you can do your stuff, or you can do like more searching or ask Dr. Ellie. But I'm so glad I found her in the YouTube channel. So here is my journey. I will show you how I did it, and it's up to you if you follow. So let's go. So guys, I take 2 of this after meals, every meals, and then sometimes I take 1 if I take a drink, or you know, water or tea or something. So as long as you consume 10 pieces of this like once a day, I think you're good, because it said there 2 pieces every meal. So I divided mine too, so because I drink a lots of waters and, like, you know, coffee, tea. So, and then after this I wait for 1 hour to brush my teeth. This is Dr. Plotka's toothbrush, like natural microbial, that Dr. Ellie recommended. It's the toothbrush, guys. The difference with the regular for kids. So I use this one now because it's more easier to brush. And this is all my stuff here. And jellies. I have another one, the jelly mint. I use this one, guys, for 0 alcohol, because I don't know if it will work, but it's these ingredients. But this is only like 0 alcohol. Okay. Complete mouth care. So I found this in the Whole Foods grocery store. Something like this in Dr. Ellie's video, but it's not the same, but it's look like. Anyway, this is all like 100% recycled and all with fresh nylon brittles. So yeah, I will try it too. This is how it look like. I think it's good. Let's see. So you can put this one here, something like that, and you squish it for 1 minute. Make sure you timer it, guys. Okay. Now, guys, I have that toothbrush that I have it in my video, but I used the white one last night, so I will use the yellow one today. By the way, guys, I don't have the original one, like the crest cavity. This one with a plus. I couldn't find it anymore in Canada. I ordered lots of stuff, but it's the same thing when it's arrived. So I just use this one. It's the same ingredients that she's saying. So yeah, I don't have any choice. I have to use this one. We don't have another one. So just put pea, or like 2 peas, or just 1 is enough, or you can add more if you want. So, and then brush your teeth, make this wet, and then brush it inside the gum, like gentle. Just go like this, under your teeth or something, like where is the connected tissue. And then up. So this one is very easy to maneuver, guys, because it's very small. So top of my teeth is implant. So let's wash your teeth. And then your gum on top. And then wash your teeth. And then that's it. I mean, you rinse your spit out. Food here, it's coming out. And then just rinse your toothbrush with running water. Mine is, I put it here. Now, the rinsing of Listerine, but don't rinse with water. Just put this one here. Usually I just do this one, like just enough for your mouth, guys, to rinse. So I just put this one in my mouth, but so that's it. And then this one, you just open it and then just squeeze it. It will, see, it will come out for like the 10 millimeter here. And then I just put like this. It's more easier for me. It's up to you guys. And then just do like this. Now, that's the final complete mouth care system. And after this one, guys, the last one, you can eat 30 minutes after. So yeah, the final of complete mouth of Dr. Ellie's mouth care system, guys. I just wanna follow. By the way, it's not sponsored or anything with this one, or even, you know, I just want to show you how I follow Dr. Ellie's mouth cleaning system. But the thing that I didn't use the cold mint with the regular. I use the zero, guys. So I don't know if it's work, but I think it works with me because I don't want the too much alcohol like with the other ones that she recommend. So it's up to you guys. Just this one that I didn't really follow, to be honest. So hope, guys, this complete system for me is helping, because I have my implants and then I have my root canal like few months ago, maybe like 6-7 months ago, and it started bothering me. So I went back and they even like 3D scan so that they can see if the root canal is something going on or the tooth, but they said before it's like have some mobility or something. Anyway, video, I start 2 weeks in this mouth cleaning system, and I feel different something, I don't know, but it start the inflammation is gone in my, sorry because it's sweet this one, so I wanna just spit it out. So you have to spit it out everything, guys. Anyway, yeah, it start healing, I think, because I didn't eat. I still have uncomfortable sometimes, but since I use this one, to be honest, it keep reducing the pain and the swelling of my gums here, and then my, but I think I used this one too. In the first week, I used too much of the pressure, so I think I scratch in my gums. So I start just be gentle here, and it will you know, it, I feel now more healing in my gums. And before that one, guys, to be honest, I have pain, like something bothering me, and I have one implant that is, I had infection last year, and the endodentist, whatever, they put like antibiotic in my tooth. It helped, but it came back. It's bleeding too much. But now I stopped flossing, just brush. I just do Dr. Ellie's complete mouth care system. I stopped flossing, and I don't know, it's kind of stop bothering me. So hopefully I will continue, but I feel sometimes still sensitive of my teeth. And yeah, so hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in my next one. Bye.